Alright guys, we're back on the 1992 F150 5.8 liter. You saw in a prior video where we haphazardly changed the coolant temperature sender that goes to the gauges. And now we're going to be looking at another one. We're going to be looking at the air temperature sender. If I can't find it, here it is. So I have a strong feeling that's what it's going to look like. That what we have in here is probably original to the truck because it looks original. But I had to find a deep well socket for this, and it is loose. I mean, it is in there. So I would probably say, oh, I think I'm tightening it. Oh, I'm a dummy. There we go. No wonder it was so difficult. I was about to say. All right, let's see if we able to pull that out now by hand. And we are. Ooh, yeah, I'd say that sensor was shot. As it, look how gummed up that is. And it just kind of falls apart in our hand. So, yeah, that's what's left of that. I'll say that's original to the truck. Let me grab it real quick. So here's the new one just for comparison. Make sure nothing falls down in there. Pop on. And actually, I'm quite surprised that it was so that I could tighten it even more. So I'm not going to go super crazy on the tightening. I'm sure there's a foot-pound torque specification on it. This is a 11/16 deep well wrench I bought. Evidently, that's going to be the good size for all of these sensors. So let's put it back on so we can see that there's a notch right here. There's a notch right there. Boom, and it's done. We've changed the sensor. So yay us. So we got one more to show you.